Hello friends, now let us start exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.1, we construct the different type of quadrilateral with the using 5 element, which is all 4 side and only one diagonal. Where we construct by the first of all draw the diagonal, then after all 4 side, and with the step you can write also. Okay. Now in this exercise 4.2, there are in textbook your page number 62. Now in this exercise there are 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, so there are also 5 element, 2 diagonal and 3 side. So now question number 1, construct the following. First number, quadrilateral lift. Our procedure same. First of all, draw the rough sketch, that is rough diagram of a lift. So that is, we know that here lift, so any quadrilateral, that is, so L I F T. Now Li, that is 4, so this is the 4. T I F, that is 3 centimeter. TL, that is 2.5, that is TL. Now LF, so here LF, that is diagonal 4.5 centimeter, and IT is also diagonal, that is 4. Now how to draw this? So again reconstruct the rough sketch. First of all, we use the diagonal. Here diagonal is given that TI, that is the diagonal TI, and another that is LF. So that is LF is a diagonal. Okay. So again reconstruct the rough sketch with the diagonal. First of all, draw the LF. So that is your L and F. Now see this, that is LF. So T and I is another, both the half plane. So suppose that is point T. So connect this, and that is point I. Suppose here this point is I. Now using the measurement, here LF, that is 4.5. So LF is 4.5. Now LT, so here LT, that is 2.5. Then FT, here FT is given. No, here FT is not given, so just as it is. Now Li, here Li is 4, and then IF, here IF is 3. Now see, here in this triangle LFI, all 3 sides are given there. So first of all, we construct this triangle in a construction. Okay, now you know very well how to construct the triangle. So first of all, take LF as the base. So our answer. Now construct LF as the base 4.5 centimeter. So suppose that is 4.5. So LF, that is 4.5 centimeter. So our purpose, first of all, draw the LF. So it is fulfilled. Now the Li is 4. So now take L as a center and take a radius 4 centimeter and cut an arc in an upper half plane. So that is here 4 centimeter arc. So take L as a center and take radius 4 centimeter and draw an arc. Okay, so that is 4 centimeter arc. Now from F as a center and take 3 centimeter as a radius. Okay, now take F as a center and 3 centimeter radius and cut the same half plane. So our intersection point, it is the I. So that's your I. Okay. Now connect the Li and IF. So our triangle is drawn. Here that is Li, that is 4, and Fi, that is 3. This is the first step. Okay. Now next, here Li is constructed. So Li is done. IF done. Now remaining portion, that is TL, okay, and ID. Now TL. So we know that T is another half plane opposite to the I. So T is here somewhere. So now take TL. So L as a center and take radius 2.5. So radius 2.5 and just cut the arc on another half plane opposite to the I. So that is your TL. Now IT is a 4. So this is your point I. So take I as a center and take the radius as a 4 centimeter and draw an arc with this. Okay, so if you take I as a center and 4 centimeter radius, you draw the arc with this cut. Okay, now this point mark as a T. Okay, this point is marked as a T. Now connect this LT, that is TF, and this IT. So now here LT, that is 2.5, and IT, here IT is 4 centimeter. So write down this here 4. Okay, so now hence LIFT is a required quadrilateral with the given measurement. Okay, in this construction step is given here. So write down step. Otherwise, you can write this step in your own language. Don't worry about this. Okay. Now next number, second number construction. That is the quadrilateral gold. Okay, GOLD. Now again procedure same. That is quadrilateral GOLD, where OL is equals to 7.5 centimeter, GL, that is 6 centimeter, GD is given 6 centimeter also. Now LD, that is given 5 centimeter, and OD is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, now you know very well. First of all, draw the rough sketch. So here the any quadrilateral with the name GOLD. Now OL, that is O to L, 7.5. Now GL, that is diagonal. So round that and take with the D, that is your diagonal. So GL is a 6. Now GD, here GD is 6 also. LD, so LD, that is 5, and OD, that is 10. So OD is also a diagonal. Now our purpose, reconstruct the rough sketch with the help of the diagonal. So now take the diagonal GL, that is 6 centimeter. Now just see here GLD, in a triangle GLD, all sides are given here GD, DL and LG. Okay, so all sides are given. So first of all, draw the triangle GLD. So here GL is a 6. Now GD, that is also a 6. So here somewhere D point, that is also a 6, and LD, here LD is a 5. So that is one triangle. Now our purpose to draw the O point. So O point is somewhere here. So now LO, that is 7.5. So draw the LO, that is 7.5, and OD, that is 10. So O to D, that is 10. Okay, so now connect this. So this is your rough sketch. How to draw this? So first of all, draw the construction with the help of the diagonal. Now your diagonal is GL 6 centimeter. So first of all, draw the GL equals to 6 centimeter with the using scale and compass. Okay. Now take G as a center. Take G as a center and take radius 6 centimeter and draw an arc in a 1/2 plane. Okay. So that is 6 centimeter arc here. Now same as L as a center. So here L is a center and take radius 5 centimeter and cut the arc in a same plane. So now we give the name at the intersecting point, that is D. So now connect this. So here GD. So here GD is a 6 centimeter. So that is 6 centimeter. Now GL is a 6. So GL is done. Now DL. Here DL, that is 5 centimeter, also done. Now just see, here O is opposite plane of D. So take L as a center and draw the 7.5 centimeter radius arc. So suppose 7.5 centimeter radius arc is here. Okay. take L as a center and measurement of 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now another, that is OD. So from point D, take the measurement 10 centimeter in a scale and draw the arc from here. So suppose that is your intersecting point. Okay, take D as a center and 10 centimeter radius and draw the arc. So from here to here. So that point, that is your O point. So now connect GO, OL, and that is GD. Here GD is 10 and GL, OL, that is 7.5. So now GOLT is a given quadrilateral, required quadrilateral with the given measurement. Okay, you can write a step with your own word, just change in the nomenclature and measurement. Okay, that step is for the first question, not for second and third. Write down in your own words. Okay, understand? Now next, that is third number. Third number is an important question for the examination purpose. That is third number, rhombus. Now rhombus is here, so you can remember the property of a rhombus. That is rhombus BE and D, that is band, and the given condition is BN, that is 5.6 centimeter, and DE, that is 6.5 centimeter. Now question arises that here only two diagonals. Just suppose draw the BE and D any quadrilateral, that is BE and D. Now BN, so BN is diagonal, that is 5.6, and DE, that is also a diagonal, that is 6.5. Now our exercise says that two diagonal and three sides are given, but here just only two diagonal are given. How to draw this? Now just remember the property of rhombus. In a rhombus we can say that the diagonal bisect each other. That means in a rhombus diagonal bisect each other, perpendicular bisector. Okay, in diagonal perpendicular bisector of each other. So just reconstruct the rough sketch. We want to try the draw two diagonal in this way. Suppose that is your DE and it is BN. That is your perpendicular bisector. So just connect this. That is your rough sketch. Now here DE is of 6.5. So that is your 6.5. And BN, that is 5.6. If BN is 5.6, suppose that intersection point is O. So if BN is 5.6 centimeter, then B2O, BO equals to ON, because property says that the diagonal bisect each other. So BO equals to ON. So BO equals to 5.6 divided by 2, that is 2.8 centimeter. So that is B2O, that is 2.8, and O to N, it is also 2.8. Just note down this point. Why? Because we use the this theory in here. Now first of all draw the any rhombus B and D with the diagonal. So first of all try to draw the DE. Okay, so here draw the any arc D and E, which is 6.5 centimeter in length. First part is drawn. Now what can we do? Here perpendicular bisector. Now how to draw the perpendicular bisector? How to draw a perpendicular bisector in your line segment given? So first of all, take D as a center. Just remember, take D as a center and more than half of the radius. So just take D as a center and take a more than half a radius, and one arc in upper plane and one arc in a lower plane. Okay, just remember, and again take D as a center and take the radius more than half, one arc here and one arc here. Now this process from the point E. So take E as a center and as take the same radius and one arc here and one arc here. Okay. Again take D as a center and more than half radius, one arc here and one arc here. Now same, take E as a center and more than half radius that given, and here take one arc here and one arc here. Now this two intersecting point. Okay, you find the two intersecting point. Now connect this point. So if you connect this point, so that is your perpendicular bisector. So that is your perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means this line segment divide DE in equal two parts. This one and this one. So intersecting point, suppose that is O. So here DO is equals to OE. That first condition, that means bisector. Now perpendicular, that means the angle between these two line, that is 90 degree. So it is known as the perpendicular bisector of DE. Perpendicular bisector of DE. Okay. Now again repeat this step. First step, draw the DE which is 6.5 centimeter. Now next, draw the perpendicular bisector. Now how to draw the perpendicular bisector? So take D as a center and take more than half of the radius of the given line segment and draw one arc upper plane and one arc lower plane. Same procedure with the E as a center, one arc the one arc upper plane and one lower plane. Now connect this. Okay, so that is your perpendicular bisector. Now just see that B and N is total length 5.6, but here we can say B to O, that means O point is here and B point somewhere here. So BO is a 2.8 centimeter. So now take O as a center and radius 2.8 centimeter. Just note down, the radius is 2.8 centimeter. So O as a center and take the radius 2.8 centimeter and cut the arc on a bisector line segment. Okay, so here just O as a center and 2.8 centimeter radius, that is the arc. Now again, that is the upper half plane. So same procedure with the lower half plane. So take O as a center and draw the arc at the lower end half plane. Okay, so now that point your B and that is point your N. Now connect DB and BE, EN and DN. So now DN, NE, EB and BD is a all sides equal and the diagonal is in the given measurement because it is 2.8 and it is 2.8. So BN is a total, that is your 5.6 centimeter. So that is B, E and D is a required rhombus for the given measurement. Okay, it is a most important question for your examination purpose. Okay, so just practice again and again for this sum. Just think about whenever two diagonal are given in a rhombus, we can construct with the help of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, how to draw the perpendicular bisector? So follow the procedure. Okay, and write down with the step in your own words. Okay, that's it for the exercise 4.2. In the next lecture, we'll learn about the how to draw the different kinds of angle with the multiplication of the 15 degree. Okay, so in the multiplication of the 15 degree, how to draw the angle, and then after procedure for the exercise 4.3. Okay,